gift. Please take small children by the hand and walk to a station.
Slowly rotate back and may stop momentarily. When you see you may see during your slow Spaceship Earth control. Welcome aboard.
Legionibus Praesidium Londini Impera.
Via Aurelia Adulum, Via Aurelia Adulum, is open.
And the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed and lost forever. It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. In the meantime, here in Europe, much talk and books by hand. But that is about to change.
Transcontinental Railroad complete. Stop.
I'm sorry, that line is busy. Number, please. One moment.
Will forever be known as the name she flew across the Atlantic and escaped from the hardest people around the world. And he will never last as long as looking for his strong core. Will assure
time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention. You are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers. Please remain seated. Your time machine will rotate backward for your return to Earth. Exploration has returned to Earth. Your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention. Your time machine is
custom made just for you. Ready? And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Here in your future, getting away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you'll need. And with solar power from your home fueling station, you're off. Don't worry about the house. A PDA with remote control can take care of anything you forgot. You'll be in a city home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, total network family car that can take you anywhere. Since you like to wing it, your virtual travel agent gives you options for hotels and restaurants along the way. You can just relax and take things as they come. Getting there is half the fun, so your family car will be equipped with virtual tools to teach you about the world outside your window. You'll travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you're out of this thing and into the future. Or should I say the beginning of your future?
So here's to the next 30